students, welcome to class 3 to your e-learning computer class. Okay, your exam over. So today we will write down the question answer of chapter number 6, task spent. All the short question answer and everything completed. Today we will write short answer type questions. Okay, short answer type questions. So you all please take out your computer notebook and note down. Okay, write the question first and then answer. You have to know this answer. You all please note down in your notebook. Short, chapter number 6, short answer type questions. Okay. Short answer type questions. You all please take out your notebook and note down in your notebook. Okay. First question, question number 1. Write the question first and then answer. Difference differentiate between undo and redo. Undo and redo. Okay, now write down the answer. Difference in between undo and redo. Undo, write down first undo. Undo is used undo is used, or it is, you can write undo and then write it is used to create, it is used to cancel, it is used to cancel the, it is used to cancel the last action, the last action. And next, redo. Redo, it is used to reverse, it is used to reverse, it is used to reverse the effect of undo command, effect of undo command. Okay. Undo, it is used to cancel the last action, and redo, it is used to reverse the effect of the undo command. Okay, done everyone. Now the next question, question number 2. Next question number 2. What is the use of the arrow keys used in the text tool? What is the use of the arrow keys used in the text tool? Used in the text tool. What is the use of the arrow keys used in the text tool? In the text tool, why used to increase the size of the text? Also adjust the size by using the up and down arrow keys in the selector. We can also adjust, write down, we can adjust we can adjust to size We can adjust to size by using the by using the up and down arrow keys, up and down arrow keys in the selector, up and down arrow keys in the selector Okay, what is the use of the arrow keys used in the text tool? We can adjust to size by using the up and down arrow keys in the selector. We can adjust the size of the letter. Text tool means letter. Okay. Now I have to rub the board for the next question. You all will note down. Now the next question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. How can you open a drawing? How can you open a drawing? How can you open a drawing? Write down the answer. How can we open a drawing? We can open a drawing by using the open tool. We can open a drawing by using the open tool. How? First we have to select the open tool. First select the open tool. Select the open tool. You know very well, it is in under of the toolbox left hand side. Select the open tool and then select the file you want to open from the displayed file, and then select the file, you want to open. From the displayed file. From the displayed files, and then click on open, which is present at the bottom. Then third step, click on open. Which is present, and then no need to write this one. Then click on open, that is present at the bottom. Which is present at the bottom. Okay. How to open? First select the open tool and then select the file you want to open from the displayed file, and then click on open. In this way you can open a drawing. Okay. Next question number 4. What is drawing canvas? What is drawing canvas? What is drawing canvas? Drawing canvas, it is the large part of the screen. Write down the answer. The large part of the screen in the center, the large part
the largest part of the screen, in the center, in the center is the drawing canvas. This is the drawing canvas. What is drawing canvas? The largest part of the screen in the center is the drawing canvas. It is used for drawing and editing the images. It is used for drawing. It is used for drawing and editing the images. Drawing and editing the images. Okay, so you all please write down this one. Which is drawing canvas? The largest part of the screen in the center is the drawing canvas. It is used for drawing and editing the images. I hope completed this part. Now I have to wrap the board for the next question. Next one is, this is the last question. What is the difference between the pen tool and the line tool? What is the difference between pen tool and the line tools? Okay, what is the difference between? Question number 5. What is the difference between what is the difference between the paint tool and the lines tool? The only difference is there, that order. Now difference between the pen tool and the line tool. The only difference between the pen tools and the line tools is the order in which the drawing is displayed. Okay, so you all please write down the answer. The only difference between the paint tool and the lines tool is the order in which the drawing is displayed, in which the drawing is displayed. Okay, the only difference between the pen tool and the lines tool is the order in which the drawing is displayed. Okay, done. Question answer completed. Question number 1 to 5 question is there. Now you just write down the name of the Rahul is using the task pen. He is not able to locate some of the tools. Help him to do so. So you all please follow me. This is the drawing canvas. This portion is called drawing canvas. This is the toolbox, and this is selector. This is, you know very well, in your book it already given all the parts. This is the selector, and this is the toolbox, and this is drawing canvas. This is drawing canvas, toolbox, selector, and this one color palette. This is called color palette, and this one is color chooser. This is called the color chooser. This is color chooser, and this one help area. This is the help area. Okay, this is help area. This one is drawing canvas, toolbox. This is selector and color chooser. Okay, everyone will complete this one, level this one in our book. For today this much. See you next class. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye. Have a nice day.